Hey everyone, my name is Jim Marlowe and welcome to the very first edition of Spilling the OT. Today I'm going to show you a game in our platform, Spooky Spiders, which can help your residents focus on self-feeding tasks. So if you go over here to we're going to click More Games and go to Sitting Activity Tolerance Bilateral Upper Extremity. If I jump into Spooky Spiders has the option of either a one player or one controller game or a two controller. And what I'm going to do is I grabbed a cup out of my cabinet, put a sticker on the bottom, and I grabbed this little spoon or this little scoop. So I'm going to go ahead and calibrate. And for today's goal, I want to work on self-feeding. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the game focusing on those grasps that would be required for self-feeding. So I've got a resident working on holding the fork over here in my left hand. I'm holding a larger cup in my right hand, and I'm able to play the game working on these very functional tasks that help my resident get back to independent self-feeding.